In this video, you will see the steps required to set device replacement on an Ethernet IFM AL master through Studio 5000. Please note that using IO-Link always provides you the live process values regardless of the setting. Device replacement is only truly required if you mean to retain parameters such as units shown on the display, color of the display, or in other unique parameter cases. First, you will need to confirm the vendor and device ID of the IO-Link device or devices. Then, these changes must be made with an offline project or with the module inhibited in the running PLC project. These parameters are stored locally on the AL master and not in the PLC. Here are a few ways of finding the vendor and device ID. If you are already using an add-on instruction for the sensor, as in the example here, you'll find 310 and 473. If you pull up the web server of the AL master in a browser, at the PN2694, the vendor ID and device ID are in hex. So if we grabbed it here, we just have to convert hex to decimal. And that would match 310 and 473. Additionally, if we were to go into the Maneo software, we can see in the parameter field there that the vendor ID and device ID is listed as well. In this example, we will inhibit the module before modifying its configure array. Go to the master module, right-click, and select Properties. Select Connection, then check off Inhibit Module, select Apply. Now we can see the yellow communication pause button over the module underneath the Ethernet tree. This means we are no longer communicating with the master. Open your controller tags and find the module name. Expand the module name :C. Each port on the master has its own data storage, vendor, and device ID variable. In this case, the sensor is on port 8. Change validation data storage to a 4 for the intended port. Enter the vendor and device ID. Afterwards, repeat these steps for any other ports, making sure, of course, to match the vendor and device ID. Once all changes have been made, go to the module properties again, unclick Inhibit Module, and select Apply. The port or ports are now set for device replacement. The parameter settings of each IO-Link device are now stored on the AL master.